It's recording.
Okay, perfect. So, hello everyone from Serbia, far away from you. I will, in a few seconds, just tell a little bit about us, and then we'll move to the product. We are Quadricsoft company from Serbia, focused on Salesforce 100%, working in the different areas of Salesforce. In the past, we worked on the software development, other areas as well, but like 2 years ago we realized that the Salesforce is something that we are working the best, and then we started focusing on that area, working on a few different areas of Salesforce, working with some big customers around the world. Some of them are in Canada as well, in the United States. So what we are trying to do is that use our position and location to and our experience to help our customers around the world with service. And then that's how we started building our solution that I will show you right now. It's called Gold Email. Our customers has a lot of issues with email communication in Salesforce. We started building this for one huge customer in Europe, and then come to idea to build this product for our other customers. So that's the whole story. So our product, it's we have, let's say, two different products that are available on the App Exchange, and I will show you quickly both of them. What we are trying to do, our product, it's completely native. So it's purely Salesforce product, and you can find it on the App Exchange, as I showed you. It's Record Inbox and the Global Inbox. Record Inbox has two separate components. You can put it on any object, standard or custom one. It's just drag and drop. It's LWC components, and it's a composer part where you can write your emails, and then threads or inbox where you can see all of the emails that you sent. And what we are trying to do is that we use Salesforce as a single source of truth for all of your emails. So everything is done directly from Salesforce. All of the emails you send directly from Salesforce, and there is no need for synchronization or doing anything manually. Everything is done automatically, and I will show you that. So you can put it on any object, standard or custom, and it works really simple. Let me send one email just to show you how this works based on the subject. Body based on the subject, we will create one thread of communication. And as you can see here, it creates thread of communication. I'm able to see here that I send email to my customer, that the email is delivered, that it's not open still, and there are no links in this email. So it creates a thread of communication of all of your emails that you're doing with customers. So if I go here and then click on this email that I did, and I reply back to Salesforce, what will happen in a few seconds is that the email that customer replied to me, this email will be stored directly in Salesforce. So I will receive the email notification here, or notification, standard notification in Salesforce, and that's something that we built. You can create any types of notification that you need, and then by clicking on the notification that come here, for example, if I am on this record and I click here, it's automatically redirect me to this record, and then I'm able to see that I received reply back from my customer. So if I want, I can see here that the email was delivered, of course, and it's opened, and I can reply to my customer directly from thread section. So I can continue my communication directly from Salesforce. No need to go straight on Outlook or Gmail. You can have that emails as well on the external service, but in the end, all of them come back to the Salesforce. So we want to use our business process to connect them with email communication, to have 360 degrees directly connected to Salesforce, and so we can continue to do all of the email communication from Salesforce. And if I want to write something here, it will be automatically draft saved, as well as I'm writing new email, and I will have draft saved here. So if I go on some other record and come back to the leads, I'm able to continue this draft. So if I come here and then click reply all, I'm able to continue that. You can schedule your email if you want to trigger some customer in a different time zone. You can do that. Schedule it and just click send, and then see all of your emails that you scheduled for this specific customer. So others, now you see here you have this scheduled button, so you can see that here on this thread you have a scheduled email. There are more than 30 features, as I mentioned, and I will go quickly through all of them just to show you what we have in place. And then just if you have any questions, just stop me and ask. I will try to explain you that. In the composer part, we have a lot of different features in terms of formatting emails, which was really important for our customers. As standard Salesforce has a lot of limits in this area. For example, our customers couldn't add any additional fonts. And for example, we have customers that has a specific font for flight information, for example, and they need to use that font in order to send this information to someone else. So we just import a new font. There are a lot of different things like insert image, insert videos, anything that you want to embed inside of your templates, that's possible. And then if you want to create some tables, to put anything you want here, everything is possible. We use integration called Tiny in order to insert this all of these features that were important for our customers. Here, in regards to the buttons that we have, is standard. You can use any of the attachments that you need. You can clear and discard your email. You can use merge fields, and what is different in our case, that you can use cross merge fields. That means if you have and I will show you that feature, if you have connected objects with the lead one, you are able to create dynamic email templates connecting different fields from different objects and create dynamic email template. And then we have signature directly here in on Composer, so you can set something here, click insert, and it will be automatically added to your email, so you can use it. If you want to insert here, you're able to do that. And we are using standard templates like Salesforce has, Lightning and Classic. The difference is only that we have the time used, the last used, and the object that is created. So you can just check, for example, you have thousands of templates, some of our customers has that, and then you want to see if you're not using any of the templates and when you use it last time, so you can delete some of them. And right now I will show you the feature, and yeah, this is really important. You can set up any kind of labels or categories inside of your email, so you can categorize them and see all of the emails that you get. In terms of formal expressions, you can write dynamic email templates using formulas here. So for example, I put here, if this lead product interest is equal to some of the products that we have in place, we will render email template that is perfect fit for our customers. So he's interested in this product, we receive a lead, we got all of this information, and then based on the formula, which is standard Salesforce syntax, we create dynamic email template that they can use. So we review all of that, click send, and then email template is sent to our customer. So this was something that was really important for our customers, for some of our customers, because they have a lot of templates and they wanted to create dynamic templates in order to reduce this. And the cross merge field that I explained before, for example, we are on lead right now and we want to reference invoice. We have lookup that is invoice, and then we have invoice line item which is connected to invoice. We are able to take this amount field on the lead level and create email template from here. So if I'm here, yep.
I need to stop you because I'm losing battery here, and
yeah, of course,
hard time to find plugin in Office. But
okay.
You can keep going. It's just if I get disconnected,
okay.
you need to get back.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So I will right now show quickly other features and will be faster. We have predefined rules, and that's helping our customers to create responses on their end and compose new emails. So if they want to create, for example, we are working with Generali, which is insurance company. Can you hear me? Okay, we're still here. Okay, perfect. And they work in a different countries. What they want is that, for example, if they're in Italy, they will compose email templates for Italian region on Italian language. And if they are in German, based on conditions, they will put prepared templates. So they put conditions here, and they add some kind of value automatically that we will predefine or pre-populated, so they can automatically choose it, and then their users, when they receive a case or where they receive a lead, they will automatically receive this email template pre-populated, so they can just click send, review, and click send. And we have also dynamic layouts, which enable our customers to add any custom fields they want inside of their reply all or forward or compose new email screen on standard objects right now. And then they can put, for example, if they have some custom objects they want to put, and they want to compose new email, they want to has label on the lead level, a dynamic layout one, and they create. Okay, I need to choose. Let me choose everything, add here, create dynamic layout, and then if I go back here and go here, I should be able to see a new layout that contain all of these fields. So if we want to populate some of the fields when we are composing new emails, and that's populating these fields will trigger some of the processes, that's also possible. So you can just pre-populate some of the fields or categories, and then trigger some processes. And second product that it's in the same area completely, it's global inbox. And what global inbox is doing is getting all of the communication you have from different objects. You see here I have a lead, I have contact, I have case, I have custom object and user. I can get all of this information from a different object and reply to all of them from one place. So if I'm here, I'm able to see the one that I sent previously. I'm able to see here to see it is delivered, and I'm able to see all of the emails that I sent. I'm able to see favorites that I put here, all the drafts that I started, scheduled emails, unread emails, if there is any attachments, alerts, emails that are in trash, and of course the labels that we put to categories. So I hope that you could hear me because of the battery, and I tried quickly to go through it, so I leave some time for your questions. So let me know if you have any.
Thank you, Igor. We get plugged in. No worries. We have no power now. Just for audience, if you were wondering where my accent's coming from, this is Igor is Igor's place. Yeah. There, small connection there, but same country, slightly different region, but accent is there little. I don't know. I like to say little like Russians, but not Russian. They are not Russian. My question for you is, you said you built this because your clients had pain points, but you didn't tell us what those pain points were, originally to start with this product. Can you address this?
Yeah. So the first pain point for them is that they lose the drafts that they started to build inside of Composer. That was probably 5 or 6 years ago. And when they started building drafts, they started losing them. The second problem that they were having is that they are not able to set these emails to threads. This was important for them to see them like it is right now here, to move them to threads. The third problem was that they were not able to schedule their emails. So we started firstly with these three features. And then fourth problem was that somehow they were sending a lot of using Flow, a lot of emails, and then 5,000 emails was a problem for them. Then we resolved this somehow, but that limit was a problem for them. So we built external integration to AWS to send more than 5,000 emails. So that was like a few issues that they have.
And now, if you can, does anybody else has question, or you just wanna keep me going?
No, I have a question.
Edward, come here, ask question. This is my friend Edward. He is Russian, kind of.
Yeah. Thank you for your explanation. My question is, how an incoming email finds its thread inside Salesforce?
Yeah. When do you find it's a custom object that we created, and it's based on the thread IDs that are already available in Salesforce. It creates thread record and connect all of the emails to that thread record.
Okay, nice solution. Anybody else?
This is good solution actually.
Another comment here is, he said it is good solution. But did you say good?
Yeah, but
He said good solution. You get all credits for work.
5 years back when we were having these problems, but now, yes.
Come here. He cannot hear you because of this microphone.
Yeah.
Come here. Talk with bigger.
Yeah, Igor. So, like, yes, 5 years back when you started, so yes, these were actual problems, right? But now, because we have now Salesforce inbox and like Einstein activity capture, so that's the thing, right? But now, so I have one, like, yeah, this is good solution first of all, but I have one question. So, for example, with this particular, let's say I have one email and I have configured it here, right? So I can open in any Outlook and all as well. Like, I can use the simultaneous, because along with email, I need to use other functions as well, like for example, calendar and all of that stuff.
Yeah, of course.
So
Yeah, you can. Yeah. So let me try to explain that. You can connect your Gmail and Outlook as well, and see emails in the send section of Gmail or Outlook if you're using them, and all of the emails that you receive back, you can receive them in Outlook and Salesforce, or Gmail or Salesforce. So there is a clear connection between these two.
Okay. Yeah.
And you mentioned Einstein activity capture. There are some limits that are bothering our customers using Einstein activity capture, and we resolve them.
And come here. It's technical limitations. You need to walk when you're on user.
Yeah, I've been walking up and down this office
This
all
is
day.
healthy setup.
So, what form is it? A managed package that you install? What form does it take? It's managed package. Okay. What sort of object?
It's managed.
And what sort of object does it have in it? Is it quite extensive?
So no, we have I think 3 custom objects. One is threads. The second one we built our tracking, because standard one was not very good. Didn't work with cases, and then didn't have click trackings, and there are some other things that were bothering our customers.
Mm-hmm.
So there is 4 trackings, and I think there is one more custom object, and that's it. In terms of packages, yeah, we have managed packages, and in order for our product to work together, we have a core package, which is most important one, where we store the backend, and then we are building extensions that could be added to this core package. So we'll build a lot of extensions that could be added to the core package. So that's how it's working. So we can add few of them. Our products can work together, all of that.
That's excellent. Thanks, Igor.
Yeah.
But this was great segue to what is package. Can you compare pricing model versus activity versus Salesforce standard offer on the email options here, things like that?
Yeah, of course. So if I remember correctly, I'm not 100% sure. Einstein Activity Capture, it's free until 50 users, I think, and then it's $50 per user. If I remember correctly, I'm not 100% sure. In our case, it's slightly different. Our package, Record Inbox, that's the first product that I showed you. It's $17 per user per month, and it's $170 per user per year, so 2 months free. And if you take both of them, it's $250 per user per year. So it's slightly less than Einstein Activity Capture.
Does these have limitations on the number of emails?
Question is, do you have any limitation of number of emails that you can send, or any kind of limitation?
No limits at all on any types of. There are a lot of limits, for example, in standard Salesforce, and we managed to resolve all of them.
Good. And from administrators' user standpoint, they come here, they install App Exchange package. What configuration looks like to set it up? What is learning curve on all of this?
Yeah. So installation, it's pretty simple, and I will show you that. Let me just open this. So you just need to follow our installation guide that is set up in Salesforce. So you first need to create email service if there is no email service. You need to set up forwarding, because that's how we get our emails to Salesforce. You need to assign permissions to your users, and basically that's it.
Okay, seems simple. There is one more question. Your name is?
I'm Nandini, and I just wanted to ask you, does this support, meaning the calendar integration, meaning like, can you share your calendar or any of that kind of a feature? Does it support?
So what we are building right now, and this is, let's say that we receive this request from our customers, is that we want to synchronize calendars on Outlook and Gmail to Salesforce, and as well as tasks. So that's what we are working on right now. So all of the tasks that you have on Gmail and Outlook and in Salesforce to be synced, so you can work on both sides. So you can share your calendar if you want and everything else.
Thank you so much. Sounds good. Thank you.
And this is going to be future addition to this product or separate product?
It will be separate product, but as a scope of our solutions.
Okay. And any more questions? Okay, then I just wanna. You were fast. It is just 1 and 18 minutes. Well, you were 25 minutes in your presentation. I was giving you more time. Goat email. Okay, now when I talk about Djokovic, does anybody knows who is Djokovic? Tennis player Djokovic. Anybody heard about this? They heard about him. They called him GOAT. You know what does it mean, GOAT?
Yeah, greatest of all time.
Is this acronym applied to this email?
100%. Yeah, that's what we were talking about. Yeah.
Okay, you see, I got it. How you got to the mail?
Yeah, very good. Yeah, very good. Yeah.
Do I get price or something?
Yeah, you receive 1 user free.
Okay. Once when I start having trouble with emails, but I like what I'm hearing here. Thank you, Igor. Is there anything else you would like to tell our friends? This is recording, and I'm going to post this on our user group YouTube channel. We'll send you a link to this if you don't object posting these things around.
Yeah. Perfect. Thank you. Nothing else. Thank you so much for a chance to present our product. Thank you, everyone, for listening. That's it.
Okay. Any last chance for any questions? What Igor does aside of building products for App Exchange, he has team of Salesforce people who did this, and he is selling also near offshore service. If you think about Europe, it's near.
Yeah.
But it is near offshore service for Europe. It's a little longer time for us. But anyhow, if you have needs and opportunities, you can ask him for quote if you'd want to do something. We don't have resources. Yeah. Anything else you would like to add to this, Igor?
Yeah, of course. As you said, if you need any kind of software developers, Salesforce architects, developers, we are probably one of the best. So come to us and we'll help you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. I will stop recording and we will be in touch, man. It was great presentation.
Thank you.